Today we're going to be exploring the interactive planetarium. This is an object that's I got for Christmas. It's pretty cool. You can explore the planets with it. Two birds. And so we're powered on. Stay powered on.
Welcome to a journey in discovery into the depths of the solar system. Press a button to begin.
Alright, so you just planets. Just press sun.
This is the sun.
See the history, like that describes the old or something
Sun
like that it
is
is.
estimated to be 4.6 billion years old.
And it tells me, the history tells you how how long it's been known since, and the distance is far away from the sun. Let's see how far away from the sun is the weight.
The solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy,
Already at the sun, sorry.
and is located 26,000 light years from the center of the galaxy, or 1.6 billion times the distance between the Earth and the sun.
Screen, and then let's head on to size. How big it is.
Sun's diameter is about 865,000 miles, or 1.4 million kilometers.
I had a video for this. It messed up because the sound was using this microphone messed up on this computer. Computer object. Jesus. As we're going on. And then let's see the gravity mass of the sun.
The sun contains 99.8% of all the matter in the solar system.
Which gravity mass. And then let's see how much long a year or day is on the sun.
The solar system takes 225 to 250 million years to orbit around the Milky Way once. The sun rotates once every 25.6 days at the equator.
And then let's see how hot or cold the sun is. Let's press temperature.
The surface temperature of the sun
is
about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, or 5,500 degrees Celsius. The temperature at the core of the sun can reach 10 million to 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, or 5.5 million to 15 million degrees Celsius.
And this tells you if there's any spaceman that went to the sun for the sun.
The spacecraft
Space
launched in 1990 to explore the sun.
And then because no humans had surface moons.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are called the terrestrial planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called the Jovian planets.
And then, because facts, that describes you about things that's true, in fact, true about the sun.
The Kuiper Belt is a region
So it's just facts that could just
small objects beyond Neptune. It is thought that planet building simply stopped at this region.
Alright, I can't do all the other planets. It's going to be a long video. So let's do a little, so if you want to do the other planets about your own thing. So here, let's do the quiz. This is the quiz.
Which planet is named after the Roman god of war?
So this you press a planet, whatever one's correct you think. And you want to do another question, this, you press again.
It's common, yeah.
Again.
Saturn is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty.
Whatever you think of this, you press this or this, true or false. You want to do the answer. And then if you want to even another quiz, you press even the quiz even again. So press even again.
The surface temperature of Venus, A, is about 860 degrees Fahrenheit, or 460 degrees Celsius. B ranges from a minimum of minus 298 to a maximum of 800 degrees Fahrenheit, or a minimum of minus 183 to a maximum of 427 degrees Celsius.
So that you press this for A or this for B, and you know true is A and false will be. You both together, whatever you think it is. And then if you need help and you don't know the answer or you don't know it, then you press help.
The surface temperature of Venus is about 860 degrees Fahrenheit, or 460 degrees Celsius. Press the button.
Let's press the button. If you want to repeat it and say it again, if you forgot what it was,
the surface temperature of Venus is about 860 degrees Fahrenheit, or 460 degrees Celsius.
Alright, and that's the interactive planetarium.
The journey will continue upon your return.
Please rate, comment, subscribe.